Welcome to a world where innovation, power, and luxury collide. Today we explore extraordinary machines engineered to push limits, redefine travel, and turn bold ideas into reality on land, road, and beyond. Maverick Viñales MV-12. Imagine a machine inspired by MotoGP adrenaline but designed for the road. That's the Maverick Viñales MV-12, a hyper-naked motorcycle that feels more like a racing prototype than a street bike. Built around an ultralight carbon fiber chassis, the MV-12 is powered by a ferocious V12-derived engine concept that symbolizes raw speed, innovation, and elite engineering. Its aggressive aerodynamic bodywork isn't just for looks. Every winglet and contour is designed to maximize downforce and stability at extreme speeds. The riding position blends racing aggression with futuristic ergonomics, while advanced electronic rider aids, adaptive suspension, and race-grade braking systems ensure total control. Inside the cockpit, a fully digital racing interface delivers real-time performance data, making every ride feel like a qualifying lap. The MV-12 isn't about practicality, it's about pushing limits, celebrating motorsport heritage, and redefining what a modern performance motorcycle can be. This is not just a bike, it's a statement of speed, precision, and uncompromising passion for two-wheeled perfection. The EarthRoamer XV LTS is the ultimate expression of off-grid luxury, combining military-grade toughness with high-end comfort for true explorers. Built on a heavy-duty Ford chassis, this expedition vehicle is designed to conquer deserts, mountains, snow, and remote terrain without sacrificing modern living. Its carbon fiber composite body is lightweight yet incredibly strong, while massive off-road tires and advanced suspension allow it to go where most RVs wouldn't dare. Inside, the 15 LTS feels like a luxury apartment, featuring premium finishes, a full kitchen, a comfortable sleeping area, and a smartly designed bathroom. Solar panels, lithium battery systems, and massive water storage allow weeks of self-sufficient travel, making it perfect for long adventures far from civilization. Climate control, intelligent power management, and satellite connectivity ensure comfort and safety anywhere on Earth. The EarthRoamer XV LTS isn't just an RV, it's a self-contained survival and luxury machine built for those who refuse to follow roads. The Tesla CyberTruck looks like it rolled straight out of a sci-fi movie, and that's exactly what makes it revolutionary. With its sharp, angular design and ultra-hard stainless steel exoskeleton, the CyberTruck breaks every rule of traditional truck styling. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the steel skin, it delivers mind-blowing electric performance, with instant torque, rapid acceleration, and impressive towing capacity that rivals or beats many gasoline trucks. Its adaptive air suspension adjusts for comfort or rugged terrain, while all-wheel drive ensures confidence in any condition. Inside, the minimalist cabin features a massive central touchscreen, advanced autopilot capabilities, and Tesla's cutting-edge software ecosystem. The armored glass, futuristic dashboard, and spacious cargo bed redefine utility and durability. More than just a pickup, the CyberTruck represents Tesla's vision of the future: electric, bold, efficient, and unapologetically different in a world full of copies. The HYMER Venture S reimagines camper vans by blending adventure-ready capability with premium European design. Built on a rugged Mercedes-Benz chassis, this off-road camper is designed for explorers who want both comfort and freedom. Its striking exterior features aggressive tires, raised ground clearance, and a pop-up roof system that expands living space without increasing size on the road. Inside, the Venture S offers a smart, modular layout with a high-quality kitchen, stylish seating, and a rooftop sleeping area that feels more like a boutique hotel than a camper. Advanced insulation, climate control, and modern lighting create a cozy atmosphere in any environment. Solar power and efficient energy systems allow extended off-grid travel, while intuitive controls make life on the road simple. The HYMER Venture S is perfect for adventurers who want to explore remote destinations without giving up luxury, design, or everyday usability. The 2024 Greyhawk XL is a powerful blend of classic American RV comfort and modern innovation, built for families and long-distance travelers. Riding on a robust Ford E-Series chassis, this Class C motorhome delivers reliable performance and confident handling on highways and mountain roads alike. Its spacious interior features a well-designed living area, complete with a full kitchen, convertible dinette, private sleeping spaces, and a modern bathroom. High-quality materials, smart storage solutions, and thoughtful lighting make it feel open and comfortable even on extended trips. Advanced safety systems, upgraded infotainment, and efficient climate control ensure a smooth driving and living experience. Outside, generous storage compartments and an awning expand your living space into nature. The Greyhawk XL stands out as a dependable, comfortable, and versatile motorhome that turns road trips into unforgettable journeys for both new and experienced RV travelers. The NOMADPro CANTER is a serious expedition vehicle built for extreme conditions and long-term off-grid living. Based on the legendary Mitsubishi Fuso Canter truck platform, it offers exceptional durability, load capacity, and off-road performance. Designed with overlanders and professionals in mind, the NOMADPro features a reinforced camper box with advanced insulation, making it suitable for harsh climates from deserts to snowy mountains. Inside, the layout is compact yet highly functional, with a full kitchen, sleeping area, bathroom, and intelligent storage solutions. Solar panels, water filtration systems, and large battery reserves enable complete independence from external infrastructure. Every component is engineered for reliability and efficiency, ensuring peace of mind during remote travel. The NOMADPro CANTER isn't built for campsites, it's built for the edge of the map, where true adventure begins. The Adria Sonic Supreme represents European luxury motorhome design at its finest, combining sleek aesthetics with advanced technology. Built on a premium Fiat or Mercedes chassis, this integrated motorhome offers a smooth driving experience paired with exceptional interior comfort. The cabin feels open and elegant, thanks to panoramic windows, ambient lighting, and high-end materials throughout. A fully equipped kitchen, spacious lounge, and comfortable bedroom make long journeys feel effortless. Advanced climate control, smart energy systems, and intuitive digital controls enhance everyday living on the road. The Sonic Supreme also focuses on safety, with modern driver assistance features and excellent insulation for year-round travel. Designed for travelers who value refinement, performance, and reliability, the Adria Sonic Supreme turns every destination into a luxury experience, whether parked in a city or surrounded by nature. The Mercedes Armadillo Conqueror T is a rugged yet refined off-road motorhome designed to dominate extreme terrain. Built on a powerful Mercedes-Benz platform, it combines advanced drivetrain technology with reinforced construction for unmatched durability. Its bold exterior is engineered to withstand harsh environments, while heavy-duty suspension and all-wheel drive ensure confident movement over rocks, sand, and mud. Inside, the Conqueror T surprises with a premium interior featuring comfortable sleeping areas, a functional kitchen, and a compact bathroom, all built with expedition-grade materials. Advanced power systems, solar integration, and water storage make it ideal for long off-grid journeys. This motorhome is not about luxury alone, it's about reliability, resilience, and freedom. The Armadillo Conqueror T is made for adventurers who want to explore the toughest landscapes without compromising safety or comfort. The Morelo Grand Empire 26T is the definition of ultra-luxury on wheels, designed for travelers who demand the very best. Built on a massive truck-based chassis, this motorhome offers unparalleled stability, power, and road presence. Inside, it feels more like a high-end penthouse than an RV, featuring expansive living spaces, premium furniture, heated floors, and cutting-edge technology. The kitchen rivals those found in luxury homes, while the bedroom and bathroom deliver hotel-level comfort. Advanced climate control, sound insulation, and intelligent automation systems ensure a quiet and relaxing journey. With enormous storage capacity, long-range fuel tanks, and self-sufficient power systems, the Grand Empire 26T is built for extended travel and absolute comfort. It's not just transportation, it's a mobile luxury residence. The Prevost H3-45 VIP is a legendary luxury coach known for its towering presence, smooth ride, and unmatched customization potential. Built on a proven commercial-grade platform, this motorcoach is trusted by celebrities, touring professionals, and elite travelers worldwide. Its high-tech design allows for massive underfloor storage and a spacious interior layout. Inside, the VIP configuration can be tailored into a rolling mansion, complete with plush lounges, private bedrooms, luxury bathrooms, and state-of-the-art entertainment systems. Advanced suspension, powerful engines, and superior sound insulation deliver an incredibly smooth and quiet ride, even on long journeys. The Prevost H3-45 VIP represents prestige, reliability, and ultimate comfort, making it one of the most respected luxury motorcoaches ever built. These groundbreaking machines prove the future isn't coming, it's already here. If you enjoyed this journey into next-level engineering, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible content.